Hello guys, hope you're doing well. Let's move on to two more important examples. If tangent theta is equal 0.2, so what is the value of cosine of 3 pi over 2 plus theta minus cosine of pi plus theta divided by sine of pi minus theta minus sine of 3 pi plus theta? Okay, we know that cosine of 3 pi over 2 plus theta is equal 3 pi over 2 plus theta is in the fourth quadrant, and we know that the sign of cosine in the fourth quadrant is positive and 3 pi over 2 act like acid, so cosine of 3 pi over 2 plus theta is equal positive sine of theta, and cosine of pi plus 2 theta is equal pi plus theta is in the third quadrant, and we know that the sign of cosine in the third quadrant is negative, so cosine of pi plus theta is equal negative cosine of theta, and sine of pi minus theta is equal pi minus theta is in the second quadrant, and we know that the sign of sine in the second quadrant is positive, so sine of pi minus theta is equal positive sine of theta, and finally sine of 3 pi plus theta. 3 pi plus theta is in the third quadrant, and we know that the sign of sine in the third quadrant is negative. So the sine of 3 pi plus theta is equal negative sine of theta. Okay? Take a look at this unit circle. So 3 pi over 2 is here, plus theta is in the fourth quadrant, and pi plus theta, pi is here, plus theta is in the third quadrant. Sine of pi minus theta, pi minus theta is in the second quadrant, and 3 pi is here, plus theta is in the third quadrant. Okay, so this fraction is equal cosine of 3 pi over 2 plus theta is equal plus sine of theta minus cosine of pi plus theta is equal minus cosine of theta. Minus and minus is plus cosine of theta divided by sine of pi minus theta is equal plus sine of theta, and finally minus sine of 3 pi plus theta is equal minus sine of theta, and minus is equal plus sine of theta. Okay, so since we already know what the tangent is, okay, so we can rewrite the whole fraction in terms of tangent. To do this, we divide both the numerator and the denominator by cosine, because we know that tangent of theta is equal sine of theta divided by cosine of theta. So sine theta divided by cosine theta plus cosine theta divided by cosine theta, sine theta divided by cosine theta plus sine theta divided by cosine theta. Okay? Sine theta divided by cosine theta is equal tangent of theta plus cosine theta divided by cosine theta is equal 1 divided by sine theta divided by cosine theta plus sine theta divided by cosine theta is equal to tangent theta. And we know that tangent theta is equal 0.2. So this fraction is equal 0.2 plus 1 divided by 2 times 0.2. And we know that 1 plus 0.2 is equal 1.2 divided by 0.4. And if we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 10, we have 12 divided by 4 is equal 3. Number 2. If tangent of alpha plus 20 degrees is equal 3 over 4, so what is the value of cotangent of 25 degrees minus alpha? We know that cotangent of 25 degrees minus alpha is equal 1 over tangent of 25 degrees minus alpha, because tangent of alpha is the reciprocal of cotangent of alpha. Okay, 25 degrees minus alpha is equal 45 degrees minus alpha plus 20 degrees. Okay, because 45 degrees minus 20 degrees is equal 25 degrees minus alpha. Okay, so we can write 1 over tangent of 45 degrees minus alpha plus 20 degrees. Alright? And we know that tangent of alpha minus beta is equal tangent of alpha minus tangent of beta divided by 1 plus tangent of alpha times tangent of beta. Do you remember this formula? Okay, so 45 degrees is alpha, for example, and alpha plus 20 degrees is beta. Alpha, and here is beta. Okay, so we can write 1 divided by tangent of alpha. Alpha is 45 degrees and beta is alpha plus 20 degrees. So tangent of alpha is equal 1 minus tangent of beta, alpha plus 20 degrees, divided by 1 plus tangent of alpha is equal 1 because tangent of 45 degrees is equal 1. 1 times tangent of beta, tangent of alpha plus 20 degrees. And we know that tangent of alpha plus 20 degrees is equal to 3 over 4. So this fraction is equal 1 divided by 1 minus tangent of alpha plus 20 degrees is equal 3 over 4. 3 over 4 divided by 1 plus 3 over 4. 1 over 1 minus 3 over 4 is equal 1 over 4 divided by 1 plus 3 over 4 is equal 7 over 4. So this fraction is equal 1 divided by 1 over 7, or is equal 7. Okay?